Fungi cell wall versus bacterial cell wall. What is fungi? Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. They are separate from plants, animals, and bacteria. They are crucial decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter to recycle nutrients. What is bacteria? Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that inhabit virtually every environment on Earth, including the human body. As prokaryotes, they lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. While some cause diseases like tuberculosis, most are harmless or essential for life, aiding in digestion, nutrient cycling, and food production. Fungi and bacteria have fundamentally different cell wall compositions, acting as a key target for distinguishing them in medicine and biology. Let's discuss them one by one. Composition. Bacterial cell walls is composed of Peptidoglycan, murein, a polymer of sugars and amino acids. Fungal cell walls are composed primarily of chitin, glucans, and glycoproteins. Structural organization. Bacterial cell walls are divided into gram-positive, having thick peptidoglycan layer, and gram-negative, having thin peptidoglycan layer plus an outer lipid membrane. Fungal cell walls are a layered structure with chitin, providing rigid structural support, covered by a matrix of glucans and proteins. Gram stain. Bacterial cell walls are gram-positive, so they stain purple, or gram-negative, so they stain pink. Fungal cell wall does not stain. Structure. Bacterial cell walls are rigid, mesh-like. Fungal cell wall is flexible and layered. Function. Bacterial cell walls primarily maintain shape, provide structural integrity, and prevent osmotic lysis. Fungal cell wall is essential for cell viability, shape maintenance, morphogenesis, and protection. Target by antibiotics. Bacterial cell walls are highly susceptible to antibiotics, for example, penicillin, cephalosporins, that inhibit peptidoglycan synthesis. Fungal cell walls are not affected by conventional antibiotics that target peptidoglycan, for example, penicillin.